Right, some spillage has occurred, cat litter, and so call that up, no problem. That's all the tools I needed to get the oil cooler off. I couldn't get the sump plug out, I don't have the right tool, but I will get one and I'll drop all the oil out. I'll have to do now anyway. So that's that. I took the dipstick out to remind anybody that touches this fan there is no oil in it. I mean, there's no coolant tank, but you know, I always leave the dipstick out the oil anyway. Screwed that 10mm bolt back in there just so it doesn't get lost. That's the coolant bottle. What else? Right, so that's now. So I need to go and find one of these. There's the part number. Yeah, lovely. Why couldn't somebody just, I don't know, put a new cooler on in the first place? I might need to take that plug off to see if a new cooler comes with that plug. If not, I shall take it off. Shouldn't be an issue. Right, Teng tools. Can't beat Teng tools. I love Teng tools. Teng tools, brilliant. That's all I needed. Right, I'm gonna need some bolts as well to get that back in. Yes, I am. And possibly new gaskets as well. There's gaskets on. Get out of the way. Oh Christ, more spillage. Cat litter's great for this sort of thing, by the way. Top tip. And then I'll jet wash it later. Bit messy, but hey ho. Better have an oil all over your drive. What we got? Oh yeah. Let's look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So it needs a gasket as well. No problem. That's the plug that came off it, by the way. Not sure what the plug's for. Maybe is it for oil pressure, oil temperature? Right. Peel this off. Right, so get a Stanley knife plug head. Off you come. Yuck. The problem with gaskets at this age, it's they've got a bit horrible. Yeah, let's get a blade on that. Get a blade on it, get the oops, I keep going away from you there. Get a blade on that and then get some brake and clutch clean on it. It's still dripping. Oh, how are we dripping for? That plug. Dangle in there, plug. Don't dangle on my floor. Right. Yeah, let's get a blade on there. I need a gasket set with it as well. Okay. Other than that, this oil was pretty clean when it came out. It's probably done less than 1,000 miles on this oil. It's a shame, really. It's a waste of good oil. I won't put the oil back in contaminated now, I think, anyway. You just never know whether the coolant's got into these oil ways. I did the water pump on this. It's driven off the crankshaft. With that, you have to drop the oil. The minute you pull out that water pump, drops all the coolant into the sump. Get off. Yep, I have to clean that up. Give me 2 seconds and I'll get that cleaned up.